Because God is preparing something bigger than what you are praying for. You are crying and crying and lamenting and complaining. Why me? Why am I in this situation? Why am I sitting at the beautiful gate? I can see what happens at the beautiful gate. I can see because I'm at the beautiful gate. I can see people who are well to do. I can see people who are living well. But how about me? Why my life has not changed? Why am I in this situation? You can be in church and everybody's giving a testimony and you do not have a testimony. And you're asking yourself, which God are they praying to? That has not answered me. I have prayed, I have fasted, I have done everything. But it seems as if God has some people he favors. That when he chooses to answer them, he answers them speedily. That me have prayed, I have fasted, I have believed God, but there is no testimony. You are at the beautiful gate. People are testifying at the beautiful gate. People are coming and they are leaving here. People are coming and getting married. People are coming, they are giving birth. People are coming, they are buying cars. People are coming, they are getting promoted. You are still at the same level. And you are wondering, why am I at the same level? Why my level is changed? It was not changing. God is busy changing other people. When they come, they give their testimony. Praise the Lord. I have a testimony. I got a new job. But you are there at the beautiful gate. They come again. Praise the Lord. I have bought a plot. You are still there. And you have questions. Why not me? I have good news for you. That the lifter of men, he has you on mind. He has you at his heart. He is preparing something big. He does not want just to give you something small. He wants you to be a message. That when you start walking, people are going to ask questions. Is she the one that we used to leave begging and she had no testimony? Is she the one who is now able to walk? Who is now able to move from place to place? Is she the same person? I have good news for you. They have left you. They have come and they have gone. You were still in the same place. You are going to bypass them. You are going to bypass them. They are going to wonder. The Bible said they were in amazement when they looked at this man. They said, what could have happened? And Peter said, oh, you are still amazed. You are wondering what is going on. There is God of Isaac, Jacob, and Abraham, who has all the power. The one we believe in, the one you doubted, and he was crucified, is the one we are talking about tonight. Who is the lifter of men? He raises the nobodies to somebody. Do you know why? God needs a sick Lazarus to die. God needs a sick Lazarus to be sick and die and be buried and start smelling and raise him after 4 days to show the world that he is God that can raise the dead. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. The reason why you are going through what you are going through is because God has a beautiful testimony for you. Don't give up. Don't give up your salvation. Don't give up on God. Continue loving God. And some of you, your salvation has not been easy. So many things are challenging you. You have gone through it all. You You have cried tears. And you feel like it's time for me to give up. You are almost there to your miracle. That's why it's becoming hard. Because you are about to give birth to something big. When a woman is pregnant, when she's about to give birth, at the 9 months, now she's 9 months, a day of delivery. Most women go through a lot of pain. It is a pain. Women can cry. They can call sorts of names. They are in pain. At that moment, if you are not wise as a woman or as a mother, you can give up. But what will happen when you give up? That means you can lose a child and even losing your life. So what happened? The secret is, the more it pains, the more you press on. The more you press on. As you are pressing on, a miracle is coming. A miracle is coming. A miracle is coming. Tell your neighbor, as I look at you, you are in the labor ward. You are in the labor ward. It's becoming tougher and tougher and tougher, because you are about to produce your miracle. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. It's becoming tougher. Even at work, it's becoming tougher. You look at left, you look at right, it's tougher. Even at home, it is tougher. You look at left, you look at right, things are not working, because something great is about to come out of you. That's why when women after giving birth, and the baby is there and the mother is there, they say congratulations. Why? Because you have won a battle. I have good news for you tonight. Continue pressing. You are about to win that battle. You are about to win that battle. The Bible says, if God is for us, if God is for us, who can be against us? If God is for you, who can be against you? If God is by your side, who can win you? Nobody can win you. You look back and say, thank God I have ever been at the beautiful gate. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Praise the name of the Lord. As they told him, rise up and walk, he started. The people who left him, they were very amazed to look around, and he's also part of them. Have they left you? Have they gone far? And you are still there? And you are wondering, since you got born again, they are wondering, since you got born again, what has changed? You seem to be stagnant. You seem to be in the same place. But I have good news for you, that your time has come, your hour has come, that you will move from where you used to be stagnant and you start progressing. And before you know, you'll be with them. In China also, as you are also purchasing your things, you'll be in Dubai as well, as you are also doing your business. And they say, what does she have? Because they know your bank account. They know your bank account. They knew very well that he's lame. He cannot walk. What can he do? Where can he go? What does he have? He didn't have it. But the secret was, the lifter of men came in his life.